Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of a Shiba Inu. What's going on, what's the price changes occur in the Shiba Inu. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Shiba Inu guys. And first of all, I'm very shocked, I'm very sad for Shiba Inu holders that guys, the changes of Shiba Inu is completely going negative and very badly the price falls down. Very badly guys. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes over in the Shiba Inu is completely going negative. And furthermore guys, if you talk about the price, so the price is also very badly decrease guys. Personally, I'm very sad for Shiba Inu, but still guys, I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba Inu token. And you know what, I'm satisfied about Shiba Inu because I'm holding to the last of 2021. And there is a long time guys. That is a long time. Possibilities. Absolutely, I'm 100% sure about my future that it's the last of 2021 Shiba Inu will give me profit, not a loss. I'm 100% sure. So that is why guys, I recommend for you that don't worry about these kind of changes. Just hold it for the long term. If you hold for a long term, absolutely, at the last you get a profit. Now guys, you can see here. Now you can see there's some the price falls down again, the price pump, and now again a little falls occurred in the Shiba Inu. Oh guys, I mean now it's clear that now Shiba Inu continue has moved like that, falls down, jump, falls down, jump, falls down, jump. I hope you all understand guys. So it's time to buy now, it's time to patience. Subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.